We're on a little early today, huh? All right. I mean, not early, but like late, but early for when we were supposed to be. Freaking Lockheed, if we held those, that would have been pretty sweet. I mean, I took the gain on it, whatever. I was trying to protect myself today. But the real winner today that all of you guys knew about, Occidental Petroleum. Look at this thing up 15% today. Congratulations to anybody that held it until the last hour or so. You guys are literally printing money. So, guys, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Woo! Those Oxys are dirty. 500% on Oxy call, says Phil. You were down 75 on my Oxys, held on, waiting for the 48 to cross view up. Yeah, dude, it's insane, man. 500%. Woo! Amy's coming down a little bit, though, which isn't that fun. Spy's coming down a little bit here. Man, people. Oil barons. There you go. You sold your call for a $1 profit. Mine were down like 60%, and I sold them for like, I think 80% in the green this morning because I was like, all right, I'm screwing around. Steel got me today. Steel got me. So a little bit of a red day today. It's fine. Still up on the week by a pretty solid amount. Gave some of it back today. Go look at Indo. Dude, I saw a notice for Indo. It's up like, what, 125%? Craziness over here. Oh, my God. Yeah, this thing's going crazy, too. Like, I got no settled cash left today, but, I mean, you guys are printing. Call me Mr. Oil Baron. Woo! You're still holding your X? Oh, no. Is it? I mean, it's not bad, man. I mean, it's not the worst thing in the world. So I got that code for me. There you go. I just YOLO'd Oxy an hour ago and up 300%. Trey's mustache. I love to see that, buddy. Look at the Oxy, you missed it. I mean, I've hit so much Oxy recently that, like, I mean, I missed this one, or I got some of it. I hit the morning one. I didn't get this afternoon run because I like didn't want to hold anything when I was taking my test. I was like, I can't look at stuff. Like, I'm not like like it's gonna expire worthless. It'll run through the stop. Or it could have just done what it did. If I held the Lockheed, though, that would have been ridiculous. So, guys, as you're filtered in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the chat. Jesus, I don't even want to look at some of this stuff. Can you get Luan? We need insider info. Yeah, you're not going to get any of that from him. All right, my first week trading 1348. Luigi. There you go, man. Yeah, guys. So who Oxy, you guys just running it over here today? You're just oil barons now? That's what we're doing? Made another 1,000 on Neo today. Guys, where else are you doing this? This is perfect right here. So, I mean, here's the deal. This is kind of why we do this. So AMC's down about 7% today. If you held Oxy into today, I find it like, unless like you have a crazy AMC position, you're not trading with very much money. If you hit the Oxy or the Lockheed or the Neo yesterday or the Micron or something, you're probably not down that much, or you're even green on the week. That's why we do this, people. Oxy and Walmart printing for you. Ooh, how'd Walmart end up? I mean, Walmart came up pretty big. I think I made a nice little chunk on Walmart. I think I made like 70% on Walmart. I just wasn't holding stuff today. I wasn't feeling it today. I just kind of killed Snap 230%. Yeah, you guys crushed it. After the Ungus ripping, yeah, so after the steal and then the couple of times that I got faked out of Lockheed, I just wasn't feeling stuff today. Like, I was going on that path where it was like, I got to take the profit, get out, because it's just going to head fit. Netflix, perfect example. I was up 100%. I ended up taking it out at 10% because the thing literally went from 100% to 10% in like a second. I was like, all right, this is bullshit. But here we go. Oh, and my test went well. Thanks for asking. I'm kidding. All right. So Spy's flickering around over here a little bit. CEI is doing its thing. Can I make Walmart go down? No, I can't. All right, people. So let's see here. Yeah, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. We're on a little bit earlier today, so make sure you guys engage with the content. Help get some more people in here. I think I'm the only one on right now. So people want to watch the stock market. Amy's not having a fun day right now. 1661 down about 8%. Spy's down about 1.27. I mean, Walmart's coming up. CEI's ripping. Freaking Oxy up 450% now. Boom! SCI made the greatest investment 4 years ago. 18K down on my $280,000 house. Just went up 4 years later, so 750K. Jeez, man. Phil, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Thanks for giving me a reason to watch YouTube. Dude, as long as you guys are printing, that's what we want to see. Phil over here making dirty gains with oil. There you go. That's what it's all about. The market's going to move in the way it's going to move. As long as you can position yourself in the right direction, I mean, you're going to be good to go. Hashtag AMC keep buying. There you go. Ben Levine says it's a slow day. A little bit of a slow day today. I mean, the SPY kind of opened down. It was flickering around. I wanted Lockheed today. Like, it just looked like good just in terms of like the charting. And then I just kept getting stopped out of it. And the spreads are so big that it makes it look like you're losing more than they are when they drop the bid on it. And you're like, oh, shoot. So, or text on AMC. Yeah, I got you. So let me refresh this really quick. 2 million shares borrowed, 1.55 million returned, 441,000 net borrowed, 20.91% estimated short interest on this beast. So, I mean, crushing it over here, people. You said Oxy over 55 earlier this morning, 60 next week. Oh, 1,067% on Oxy. Diamond handing since Monday. There you go, Ben. That's like every $100 turns into like 1,100. With your Discord, does it alert on the 3 or the 5? It alerts on the 3, then you execute on the 5. So you get the alert on the 3, then you pull it up on the 5. So, I mean, you got a free week. You literally have a free trial over here for 2 weeks. You can't open any more options. Yeah, neither can I. Do we want to YOLO Oxy next week? I don't know. I think it's going to sell off a little bit. Maybe I'd strangle it going into next week because I think it could flicker around. Amy's coming down pretty hard now. Hard MF. Why do you think that? When is Palantir buy? What's it at now? I'd say if it crosses below 10, I'll get some. I'll get some. You had Oxy $40 calls per day, but sold Monday. Been making up for it all week, though. Jerry, I mean, he still did good, man. Oh, man. I mean, what a way to end the week. What a way to end the week. Oh, my God. It's still going. It's still going. So March 3rd. Yeah, right. Yeah, exactly. How's that March 3rd working out for you? Sorry, I had to. It was right there. Or you could have just hit Oxy with like, come on. I'm feeling spicy this afternoon, people. It's a Friday. Here we go. SEC and DOJ ain't doing anything. DOJ, yes, probably. SEC, no. Amy coming down. See Spy coming down a little bit here. What a way. Luigi's having fun. All right, people. Let's see here. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream as you're filtering in. Helps get this out to some more people. Let's see here what we got. Actually, we'll probably pump until after exhibition date Tuesday. Yeah, I mean, here's what we'll do. I want a next week strangle on it. That's what I want. Oh, this is this week. I want next week. All right, folks. Thank you, 1348. There you go. Out of option money, bought and sold Oxy too many times this week. Yeah, dude, we've been trading the shit out of Oxy. All right, I want these. Want 2 of these. Whoa, the spreads are huge. The spreads are huge. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. They'll probably fill me at this. Yeah, I'm gonna do. Yeah, I know I'm purchasing with unsettled funds. Whoa, it filled me way down there. Interesting. So I'm gonna get a strangle on it for next week. Well, they're dirt cheap next week. The puts are dirt cheap on Oxy for next week. All right, this is next week, right? That's kind of insane. All right, let's see here. All right. Oxy next week strangle is not filled yet. Shiny, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. You can thank Indo. Have a good one. Thank you, Indo. I appreciate that, my man. All right, let's see. Wow, they're not filling me on that one. Interesting. I know I'm purchasing with. I know. Oh, they filled me. Interesting. All right, so here's what I'm going to do on that just to make this not completely stupid. I'm going to sell the call side of the TL. Yeah, I'm going to sell the call side of the TLT. Actually, no, I'm going to leave that because if oil goes, TLT is probably going to go. All right, this is getting drunk. I can't sell these. If these run in the money for next week, oh, my calls and puts are green. This would be insane. So let's see. Oxy's looking good. I have a next week strangle on it just in case. I think it's going to move big after a 16% day. You easily could see oil continue or it could just come crashing down. So I highly doubt it's going to stay flat. WTI crude's at 114.48. I've been saying oil to 120, like WTI crude to 120 for a while. So if that's going to happen, Oxy could continue to just go on this moon mission. So I've got the strangle filled. Let's see what happens back down. Fine with me. I have a strangle on it. Let's see. Paper-handed LMT after holding it through the morning volatility. Yeah, but you still probably made a giant gain. I think I took like, 80% on it, I think. I mean, if this somehow runs in the money, I will eat the good faith violation. I will eat it and I'll take it because screw them. Because one good faith violation, like that's fine. I think. I don't know. We'll see. They run in the money, I'll be fine. Just sold for 450%. Damn, Trey's mustache, dude. You're on an absolute tear, man. Amy, trying to get a little bit of a pop here. 1660, not doing so good. AMC Ortex, I just did it. But I'll give it to you again. Let's see here. 2 million shares borrowed, 441,000 net borrow, 20.91% estimated short interest, 1.34% average cost to borrow. Woo! Here we go. It's 126 million shares on loan. Wow. You can have one good faith violation a year with no repercussions. All right, Oxy, go to 60. All right, Oxy, do it. Go to 60. You're about to commit a good faith violation. Yeah, I know, bro. If Oxy runs to 60, though, that would be just ridiculous. I don't know if it's going to. You can have 3 good faith before they limit your buying power to just settled funds. Oh, that's easy. You're up 2,000% on your Oxy calls. Let's go, people. It's still going. Spy crossing down on the 5-minute. Yeah, it's trying to right here. Bought 10 more. Let's go. Attaboy, Rands. Here we go. Yeah, guys. If you guys are printing today, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Help get some more people in here. This is why we do this. Trying to help you guys out. Make some gains on the side while we're waiting for this. All right. Let's see. Amy, 1663. We got Spy, Flicker, and GME, 114.84. Oil Barons in here. Oh, yeah. Yo, Oxy needs to go to 60, bro. I cashed out so many options between 100% and 800%. Nepal. Dude, Oxy's been wild. You got 1,600%. Thank you, bro. Evil Echo. Thanks for coming and watching, man. You did it. Like, all I did was say oil's probably going to go up. Nobody knew about Oxy before. I just put the idea out there. We've been trading it, but for those of you guys that have held it, dude, fire trades. What's Amy's max pain this week? I think it's 18. The nonsense this week is just Spy down 1.26%, and we're getting smacked. You can't afford the calls you guys get? You should be able to. I buy calls cheap all the time. All right. Oxy, just literally. I mean, I thought the bottom was going to drop out of it here. Or no, here? Yeah. No. Here. I thought the bottom was going to drop out here. It kind of did. Or no, it was one of these over here that I thought the bottom was going to. Oh, shit. I was in class. Or no, I wasn't. I don't know. There was one time in Oxy where I was like, I think it's going to come down. Feel like Snapchat is such an easy money maker. Oxy, 6,000%. You have a 6,000% Oxy play, Wiggle Wiggles? Jesus. You can literally start 1348 with $50 to $50. Yeah, 50 to 500 bucks. Yeah, exactly. So this is just insane. Did I buy Oxy calls for next week? I have an Oxy Strangle for next week. Wiggly Whack, dude. Dude. How is that possible? 6,000% gains? We made a good trade, people. Holding my last $65 calls on Oxy for next week up 200%. Attaboy. 1,700%. 1,600%. Dude. This is what we need over here. There you go. What's a Strangle? Just calls and puts on each side. X, I want out. Dude, I took that. I was like, I'm done with that. I'm done with X. How's your test? Easy. Really easy. So, Spy trying to get a pop here. Let's see what happens with Oxy. The buyers are going to step back in. This is insane. Oil Barons, can you explain Oxy Strangle? I literally just got calls and puts on either side. 2,200%. You're welcome. This is insane, bro. Man. Hey, don't be stupid with those gains. Don't be stupid with those. $200 account to 1,230 in a week. Jason, I love to hear that, buddy. I love to hear that. Let's see. Let me shoot TMI this link really quick if he wants to come over. All right, let's see what we got. Oxy, dude. It's just hanging out over here now. It's just hanging. It's just hanging. Let's see. I mean, they're probably both down now. Actually, the puts are up more than the calls right now. The puts are up 5%. The calls are flat right now. The volatility on these are wild, though. Daddy, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Thanks for paying the plug. Oxy, $54 calls are up 1,500%. Don't have any, sadly. Oh, no. How's my test? It was pretty easy, man. It wasn't that bad. Exxon still going? Oh, who was talking about Exxon this morning? SCV1 Wrench, I think was. Yeah, it was around here we were looking at Exxon. No cross on Exxon today, but like this thing was dirty. Absolutely dirty across the board. Let's see. See, here's the deal now. If you guys wanted to buy this dip on AMC and you hit Oxy, you can buy a shitload of it if you want. I mean, it's all up to you now. It's your money. But good for you guys. Bing bong. Nope. 15,000%. Oh. That's every $100 into 15 grand. No. Yeah. Every $100 is 16,000, I think. That's ridiculous. I've only seen those a couple of times. Weeble at 2 p.m. deadline for zero data expiration. Sold your 460 LMT at 2. You did a 50% on Exxon and thought I did great. Yeah. Jorge, I'm doing good, man. I'm loving to see everybody crushing it over here. So, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Verizon looking great. Yeah, I'm not touching it. I really do like the Oxy Strangle for next week, though. Oh, what's up, Log? How you doing, buddy? Is it true that Citadel's creating a path to market making in crypto? Yes. How'd you do on your test? I think it was easy because they gave us four essay questions. She said that she was going to pick 2 of them to give us for the test, and you just have to write on one of them. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Did BlackRock really dump shares? Who the hell is saying that? Who is saying that BlackRock dumped shares? Because there's no way to know. We have their 13F from last quarter, and they added shares. Vanguard sold 0.28% or something crazy. Lucid's ripping. Yeah, I can't really get anything else for the rest of the day. We could get some like swing trades, but I mean, let's see what happens over here. What's a good oil play right now? CEI maybe. Let's see. Closing out options today. I'm moving cash from my 1348 cash account. Woo! There you go, Matthew. Everyone is saying that they did. Who is saying that? Oh, okay. Yeah, no. BlackRock didn't do that. Watch. Ready? Here you go. I'm going to show you right now why this is some of really bad information. I think I know what he's doing. What some of these people are doing. BlackRock. It's going to show you like the amended filings. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, BlackRock didn't sell anything. Look, you're looking at this right here, but look at this. These aren't like BlackRock did not sell any shares, guys. Look, ready? This is their last 13F. This is the best thing that you have. Right here, BlackRock, they increased their position by 7%. That's all you got. Made 224% on SPY calls. Woo! UVXY dropping. Oh boy. Lucid shark finned on me. Yeah. Lord, please make me a decent trader. Hey, man. 1348 will get you there. Don't you worry. All right, people. Guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. Let's see. Let's see here. Verizon crossing up on the 3-day chart. Yeah. BlackRock sold interest in Yeah, they sold Russia stuff. I mean, they have exposure to Russian bonds, but think about big BlackRock is. They were holding a lot of Evergrande bonds, right? What happened? Nothing really. All right. Oxy selling off a little bit here. I mean, these puts are probably going to do all right now. The puts are up 7%. So the Strangle is up. That's really what I'm looking at here. The Strangle is green. I got closer to the money puts, and I could only get 2 contracts on the call side. I mean, I could get more, but like settled cash, 0. Nice. I don't know. What's the SEC coffee thing? I don't understand yet. Is it from the it's a problem or the problem thing? Because I haven't seen it yet. Yeah, AMC coming down. Watch new lows. 1656 right here. Yeah. Just YOLO, it's more Oxy for next week. I'm pretty sure oil will go up. The Democrats refuse to drill on our soil and they're buying from Iran. Maybe, man. It depends. That's why I have the Strangle on. I think it's very, very possible that Oxy reverts and has a big red day, which is fine because it can also rip back up. So if the puts come down, if the puts print, I'll just sell those and make the money and then hold the calls, because that's kind of what we did on Oxy this week. I had Oxy calls, but they came down significantly and then I just held them and then they went up today. So if I had a Strangle on Oxy this week, I would have crushed it. Big SPY candle, AMC drops. Amy's just look at this. Ready? Right here. They have 126 million shares on loan. There's only 17 million or 107 million shares sold short. That's almost 20 million shares that they can use against us. John Stewart noted a coffee can in the SEC breakdown. He talked about it in reference to the SEC being underfunded. Oh, gotcha. Coffee fund. Oh, that's not good. Oh, God, oil. Yeah, man. You oil barons over there. Jesus. Crude's at 115.70. Crude's almost at 116. Jesus. 100% utilization's fake. I've been saying that for weeks. It's bullshit. It's not a real number. There's no way that it can be at 100% utilization with the cost to borrow like that. It doesn't make any sense. You can't. Anybody that's trying to lend out shares right now should go out of business if they're actually loaning out shares at 1% when the cost to borrow is that, or the utilization is 100%. They do not deserve to be in business because they're in the business of making money and they're making the choice not to make money. It's weird. Would Theta be a big issue on the Oxy Strangle? Yeah, and IV. If I get IV slapped, I'm screwed. But I think oil is going to be volatile next week. So let's see what happens. I'm steel handing steel still. I'm not a steel shill. I mean, steel got me today. I'm going to buy the rest of the float on AMC with these Oxy gains. Dude, you might, man. You might. All right, here comes Occidental back to the upside here. I'm glad this community exists. Otherwise, I would have been mentally drained from investing in stock like AMC. So much manipulation and frustration. Yes, that is why we're here. So when anybody like on Twitter comes out and is like, oh, you're encouraging people to trade options. Absolutely, I am. Because when we hit gains like this, do you know how you feel? Pretty good. And you're not really all that worried about AMC coming down like this because your account isn't really that red. You know what I'm saying? It's like technically less red. You're counteracting the loss with these gains. 200% on Micron puts. Dustin, attaboy. If you held those Micron puts from yesterday, you would have made so much money. I didn't, just because I don't like holding stuff overnight. Oxy, I will swing up to next week. I forgot about my long portfolio after learning options again. Thanks to you guys. That's why we do it, man. Up $369 for the week. There you go. Well, your nickname is over. Yeah, my nickname's not great. Verizon popping up a bit. Ooh. Yeah, Verizon's been good. I hit a nice one on Verizon this week. AMC going below 15 again? I mean, it might, but like we've seen it down at these levels before, and then it bounces right back up. So we'll see. Occigen dump. Yeah, I mean, Occigen was ripping today, wasn't it? You guys were talking about Occigen going up, or oh no, Occigen was just down the whole day, I think. Yeah. Does SPY count as a cross right now? No, this would not be a cross right here. This is like a bounce off this. Why do all options look expensive? Implied volatility right now is really high. Oh, not my. Oh, gotcha. Up $324 from Wednesday to today. Out of settled cash. Can't wait for next week. There you go, man. But I get you. Yeah. I think Amy will have a bit of a rally into next week. At the end of the day, maybe. All right. Where's Oxy? Right here. Yeah, it's just kind of holding. Just kind of holding, flickering up. Dude, remember my brother, how my brother has held this forever? I mean, he loves this thing. So when oil started going, I was like, oh shoot, Oxy, like I could do this. So I just started like texting him. I was like, I think I'm gonna start trading a little bit. And he's texting me today. He's like, oh man. Yeah, this thing's dirty. Or text on CEI. Yeah, I gotcha. CEI, Camber Energy Corp. I think it's Corp. I'm not sure though. 95% utilization, 3.14% average cost to borrow, 10.21% estimated short interest on this beast over here. So let's see. Is CEI running? 22% up. First full week trading options and increased my account like 800%. Phil, man, that is awesome. Don't expect that every week. This week was a pretty solid week. But congratulations, man. That's amazing. The TMI make the phone calls? I don't know. Maybe not. I don't know. Let's see here. Citadel Securities possibly going public. Not in the near future, I don't think. Did my bro sell Oxy? I don't think so. No. He's held it forever. I would probably tell him, be like, all right, bro, come on now. What are we doing here? You're gonna have to be a little careful with this. But I don't know. I mean, I have no idea what he's gonna do. Let's see. I want to load options, but don't have much money. College English teacher with the lowest paying university in Ohio. I wish I had the upfront capital to do options. You literally only need, like, really the bare minimum. I would say bare minimum $500. TMI just posted about it. Well, they have planned that, like, Citadel is planning to go. That's what we said, right? As Susquehanna took them. What do you call it? Right as Susquehanna, or no? What was it? Who is it? It's not Susquehanna. Sequoia invested in them. My initial thought was they're trying to go public. So we've known this for a while. And then Ken Griffin had that interview and he did say yes. So I think that's what TMI is referring to. I don't know if he's going to do it soon, but do you feel good about the test? I feel real good about the test. It's pretty easy, man. I mean, I already knew what it was going to be going in. I just didn't know which question I was going to have to answer. And one of the ones that I really wanted, like, thought Exxon going or Exxon coming down. Exxon was a good one today. Yeah, Exxon's still coming up. I started with $150 just to learn the strat. That's good. Oh, yeah, that's the video. All right, yeah. So that's the same one. You started with $200. This was my first week. You can start small and still win. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, Exxon's ripping right now. I mean, it's up 2.93%. It's not as much up as much as Oxy, but I don't know. Maybe oil, like Exxon Strangle for next week. Maybe it might be a little cheaper. So you watching Batman? Yeah, I'm gonna go on Sunday. X came back. Fuck. Not as much as I would have needed it to. No. Will Oxy go higher? I don't know. That's the thing. That's why I think it could just as easily rip next week as it could tank. So that's why I have a Strangle on it. Up 120% on Indo, $500. That works. If you need help with a paper for any of your classes, let me know. Thank you. I appreciate that. I actually have something due tonight. Just kidding. It's for like business writing, and it's, in my mind, it's stupid because I think, okay, well, we're not going to do this right now. CPE climbing now. That sounds like another oil play. What's the volume on Oxy today? 75 million. This thing's crazy. You go to the movies with the wife and fall asleep? Jeez. All right, everybody. Yeah, as you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys engage with the content. Help get some more people in here. Hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot. This is great. This is a great way to end the week, everybody. Oxy going to make the run to 57, 60-ish, and we'll see what happens from there. Yeah. Did you buy or sell? I bought my Strangles for next week, just on a reversion. I mean, it might get killed by IV. I need it to move really big. So, like, right now, I mean, it's the Strangle's green. Like, the call is down slightly. The puts are up 5% on it. I do have more puts though because they were cheaper. So I have more puts and not a lot of. So I've got like 4 puts, 2 calls on it. Similar costs though on either side. That's kind of how I went for it. My TLT call is up 91% though. That's not bad. Should come back to earth within a couple weeks. If oil comes back down, yes. So let's see here, everybody. Francisco, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. I'm up 70% on LMT, but my contract doesn't expire until next week. What would I do if it was yours? I can't really tell you that. Like, I like, thank you for the super. I'm really happy you're up. I can give you a couple of strategies though. Here's the thing. Over the weekend is going to be a little bit volatile. So if somehow they solve the conflict, which I think is unlikely, Lockheed will tank. So in order to do that, one of the things that you could do is make it free. So you can get your initial investment back and just let the house money ride. So to be a little bit less than half of what your position is right now, you would leave on the table. Now, the other thing that you could do is just run it and just hold it and see what happens. And then if it goes up 100%, you can make it free. But you really have to make a decision like, is Lockheed going to continue up through these all-time highs? Caleb already did the AMC Ortex. Your Exxon's up 250% right now. There you go. Francisco, good trade there, buddy. Good trade. With VIX at 35 is the time to short it. The VIX can get up to 70, man. What do you mean? Did we ever find out why AMC totally collapsed today? I mean, I kind of explained it. There's 20 million shares that they can use to short it, and the market's coming down hard. That's kind of just what it is. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, Warren, you're tempting me here, buddy. You're tempting me. All right, Oxy's coming down now. PSTG for options. For storage. I mean, I don't know what this is. It's got, it has a chain. I've never heard of this though. Should have held your X calls. No, they were down so bad, bro. So bad. Let's look at this on the 4-hour. That's the monthly. All right, people. Let's see. It looks good. I mean, that doesn't look terrible. 1348 cross above this 200 EMA. I mean, that's not terrible. Oxy just testing the 13 X calls. How is X right now? No. I mean, X, look at this. So X, 1348 cross, and it's just been chugging along over here. So, I mean, I could do a strangle on X going into next week too. I don't know. See. I mean, let's see how much it is. Let's just see how much it is. All right. The Oxy puts are up nice here. Lockheed. Damn, man. Those Lockheeds that I had today, the 460s, would have printed. All right. X. Strangle for next week. See how bad it is. What is that? 3104. So what is like 30? Okay. Okay. I mean, I'm kind of fine with this Oxy here. The strangle on it. I think that could be perfect. Oops. Hold on. Did I just accidentally? Oh my God. You guys almost just saw ankles. It's so close. It's like right here. I literally thought it's like this is the bottom of the screen and the ankles are literally there. That was so close. Dude, SV, you're still an X. See, yeah, Lockheed did print. I printed on it, sort of. I just didn't get the whole move on it. I sold it before I just got worried today, man. Like there was so much, like I get getting head faked and these contracts were so volatile. I just kind of like sat it out. I was like, all right, I took some of the money I made back. The Netflix really pissed me off because that was up big and then came down. If I got those Netflixes where I wanted them, and then like, where is Netflix right now? Like this would have gone dead though. Like this move right here was what got me. This candle right here my contract was up 100%, then it was up 10% on this candle. Thanks for selling LMT earlier so it would run. You're welcome. You're also welcome for Oxy. Free the ankles. It was so close. You can't be showing them gems early. Yeah, I know. Keep turning me on, Vix. All right, relax. My phone's freaking out here. All right, Oxy back up. The strangle is still green. I like that. You held your mic on Pritz from yesterday and you told me it was dumb. I didn't say it was dumb. I just said it wasn't the smartest thing to do. You're up to over 300%. Good for you, man. Like, I love that you're making that money. So you see the SPY 5-minute cross prior to the 3-minute. Is that normal? Sometimes it does happen. Well, there is no 5-minute MACD cross or 5-minute 1348 on the SPY here yet. You just sold it? Atta boy. Just oil. I made some damn good money this week. There you go. Walmart is about to break its daily high. Yeah, I hit a nice 100. Like, I think it was 80% on Walmart, something like that. Oxy trying to do its thing over here. You're up 9,000%, bro. Do you know what that means? Every $100 turns into like 10 grand-ish. That's insane. Good job, guys. Good freaking job. All I ask in return is just engage with the stream, hit that like button, just engage with the content, just help get some more people in here so everybody else can be doing stuff like this too. We want, as AMC is doing its thing like this, if you want to be able to buy dips or if you want to be able to just kind of like, it's all right, like you can feel better about your position and you make these types of gains, like you probably aren't that red on your portfolio today, or you're even green overall, even though AMC is down significantly. How did you get the Walmart play this morning and what made you enter? I got it. I just flipped it quick. There was no real indication. It was a little YOLO. That's kind of what it was. Let's get it, boys. STV got wrench. What's up, my man? How you doing? Let's see here. Brian, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I really appreciate that. Seriously, my whole trading account is up 65% this week. Thanks to you in 1348 crushing it. Boom. There you go, buddy. That is awesome. Brian, thank you so much for that super. I really appreciate that, man. 160% on a Walmart call, in and out. There you go. I'm on your Discords. There you go, Wiggly. I appreciate that, buddy. Up another 5K. You went back into Oxy. There you go, SVN wrench. I got a Strangle on it for next week. I think it's going to move big. So the Strangle is up. Strangle's up nicely. Drop my cost average down to 22.37. There you go, buddy. Francisco, thank you so much for the super, my man. It's only one contract. Yeah, but they're expensive. The Lockheed contracts are expensive. I will hold it, but I will sell 4 of my contracts of Oxy. You're up 600% on the in the expiration is still the 25th. Thanks, dude. Good job, Francisco. Seriously, thank you. You saved my account, SCV. Dude, anytime. We're gonna keep doing this. Let's see. CEI up 22%. What's the news? It's an energy play. So a lot of these stocks are going to go. So 5-minute cross down, 5-minute MACD cross down on Oxy. This thing could come back to earth. I don't know. We'll see. LMT about to cross on the 1 minute. Down or up? Where's that? Yeah, it looks like it could cross down here. It's testing the 13 again. It does this and then comes back up. Indo ripped. Yeah, Oxy's killing it, but it was not really a cross. Now, I mean, you could have played it on that. Like, so Oxy, I mean, we can look at it on the 4-hour for swings. So this is for all of you guys that can't really work. So look at this here. So 13 crosses the 48 on the 28th. So a couple days ago, you get these giant candles. It just goes, comes and touches this 13 again. It doesn't really close below it. And then boom, all the way up here. You play this cross on the 4-hour, you made 9,000% like Wiggly. So Amy trying to bounce here a little bit, 1656 down 8.31%. SPY's moving down a little bit here. Let's see. You were down over $4,000. Now I'm only down around $800. There you go. You lost 20K. You hate Robinhood. Yeah, Robinhood's issue today was stupid, man. That was not good on Robinhood. How many strikes out do you look for in a Strangle? For this, I went big because oil's really volatile. Let's see where oil is right now. 115.70. It's 115.70. It's still high. So Oxy could sell a little here. Yeah, the puts are up 16% on the Strangle. So the Strangle's green. The Strangle is green. What happened on Robinhood? They had an issue with their like options data, and then you couldn't trade options with it. AREC, AREC. This is coming up a little. 1348 cross right here. 226, 233. That's not bad. That's not bad. Oxy still just testing the 13. Yeah. I mean, this is why I have a Strangle on it, because this thing can get really nasty to the downside, but it can also test this and go boom. SPY crossed down. Yep, SPY just crossed down here on the 5-minute. Thanks for that one. Alrighty here. Be careful with oil over the weekend. Too many days until Monday. Yeah, that's why I have a Strangle on it. Still down 80K from all time. My AMC was up, but it's my fault. Went into a little too hard with all the massive overtime savings. Yeah, I mean, with these 1348 plays and these oil plays and some of these other things that we have coming, like, I mean, I think you could make it back. That's kind of the goal here. It's like, let's get you guys back to even and making you guys some money until we wait for AMC. So then when it goes, you're up huge. Every week, the people are losing their money on out the money calls. Yeah, I'm not buying anything on AMC right now. I don't trade any AMC options, and I wouldn't really recommend that anybody do so either. If you're going to, I mean, I'm waiting until like specific technical indicators for me to even consider getting more options on AMC. Yeah, Indo's crazy. Oh, what's up, Paul? How you doing, my man? Just sold my last Oxy play, 300%. My whole entire account. Bro, I'm Indian, but I feel like a Saudi king. Woo! Nepal's the real oil baron over here, buddy. There you go, my man. Damn, son. Dude. So, it's pretty nice, guys. Good for you. Selling AMC covered calls. Yeah, careful with that. Careful with that. It can always run back up. Head and shoulders would indicate down. Inverse head and shoulders would indicate up. My daughter just got 10 more AMC in her stock account. Woo! There you go. Thanks, brother. Joseph. Anytime, buddy. All right, let's see what Oxy's going to do here if it wants to run back up to 56. Let's see. Man, this was a week and a half, guys. This is a freaking week for you people. Held that $50 Oxy call from earlier in the week. Cut one early, let the free one ride, 205%. Then grabbed another at 52. Let it ride for another 75%. Thanks, STV and Ankle Gang. Chad, atta boy. Exxon new day highs. Yeah, we were looking at that earlier. I never got it. I think STV got wrench was talking about that. Are you into any covered call ETFs? Not really. Not really. Let's see here. Oxy just kind of chilling. No shame in taking profits for the weekend. Yeah, no shame in that. I did get this Oxy Strangle though that I'm gonna hold because I think it's gonna be interesting. I think either way I'll hit it. I mean, I should have gotten more time on it, but YOLO. Jen Psaki is speaking. She doesn't really move markets that much. Have shorts covered on AMC? No. Thoughts about Rivian and Uber for next week? I'm not sure. I'm just kind of looking at like macroeconomic stuff. Like I think oil will move. In which direction? I do not know, but it's up big. So you easily could see a big continuation move in oil up to 120, which is where I've been calling it where to go for a while. 120 or 125 is what I've been thinking. Because remember, when we started messing around with Oxy, oil was at like 89. It's at 115 now. So I mean, it's still getting there. It's still on the way there. The thing is, though, is once oil starts to top out, I will buy longer dated puts on Exxon, Oxy, USO, all of these other ones, because eventually I think oil will come back down. So there's an opportunity here for either way. So the Strangle next week is just a trade. But once we start to see like the Russia conflict and everything start to get resolved, puts on oil in my mind. Oil isn't a real thing. The gains on Oxy, though, are. So congratulations. What time does Webull liquidate? I think it's 3:48, I think is what it is. The Oxy hit today is going to pay for a new plow for the tractor. Thank you, Gimp, attaboy. Yeah, put season will come for oil, and we'll be there for it. Oil will come back down once Trump or DeSantis is president. You could play it on midterms. Gush. Yeah. Oil plays would be slick today. Tim, attaboy, man. You guys are killing it. Micron about to bounce up. Spy's trying to come up here a little bit. Where's Micron? Nah, this is not coming back. No. This is a really good trade, though. I botched it on Micron today. Completely botched it. 1348 crossback. I mean, I was looking at it around here. Probably got out on this thing. Thought I was going to reverse. And then it's just downtrended for the rest of the day. So I think I just didn't have the best day today. Wasn't the best day for me. I made some back on like the Lockheed and some of the other and the Walmart, but I'm a little red on the day. I took out my Oxys at like 80%, I think, 60 to 80%, which is not bad, but because they were down like 60%. I mean, yeah, sometimes you just don't have the best day, but it's fine. I think right now with recent events, oil is going to go crazy. You know, I got the gas stations at, oh, I didn't know that. And we almost at $4 right now. Yeah, dude. Oh, I think oil by me is like around 4. It's crazy. Why do they pick on AMC every day? Because it's personal. Why do we talk about it every day? It's personal. Let's see here. Alrighty, folks. Gas hit 8 a gallon in Vancouver. That's terrible. You just paid $4.59. Jesus. Took Oxy profits. 5-figure days are the best. Ape investor. God damn. X isn't gonna give it. GME selling off here. GME getting hit now. Oxy bouncing a little. Verizon thoughts? It's been looking good. Verizon's been looking good. You could play it. I mean, where's it on the 4-hour? That's kind of what I want to look for. Where's it on the 4-hour? Really good. Cross back here. I mean, if you got it around these levels, 53 to 55, that's not terrible, man. You're only down $25 for the week. I mean, hey, that's a lot better than being down a lot more. Well, when I say I'm always busy at the store, I mean the gas station. Oh, gotcha. I didn't know that. Just had an office lose internet. Had to drive 60 minutes north to pick up a new router, then 2 hours to install it. Alex, did you have Oxy, buddy? Alex Blunt. I know you had it at some point. Did you keep it? They have 17,000 put contracts at AMC at 17. That's not good. Premium gas is $5.87 a gallon. Jesus. 93 over where I am is like around 4, I think. These oil plays piss me off. Stocks going up while gas prices soar. Why? Make money on them. It's going to go up regardless. Like, there's nothing you can do to change it. Where the shills at, they're super quiet today. I don't know. They just don't. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Jimmy. What's going on here, pal? All right. Wait, that's Verizon. That's not Oxy. Oxy's still bouncing off the 13. $200 oil will cause complete economic collapse. I don't think it'll get to 200. $115 to fill up your truck. That's crazy. Yep, I bought the 52 strike at $60, then set a limit at $80 while I was driving, made 33% on it. Alex, that's really good, man. That's a solid gain. Solid gain. All right. So AMC over here, 1652. GME is getting slapped right now. Down 4.92%. 112.51. Getting absolutely hammered. Max pain for AMC should be 18. Let me take a look, though. That's what it was yesterday. I don't know if it's changed, though. Let me take a look. 18 still. 18 max pain for AMC. Brent's at 117. Jesus. Yeah, 117.77. WTI's at 115.28. Natural gas is up big today. You made 21 grand today on SPY. Gold is cranking. Guys, this is ridiculous. This is absolutely ridiculous. Good job. Good freaking job, man. Feeling a YOLO. What's the play? I'm not touching anything right now. GME selling off hard, man. Jesus. It's another 50 cents right there. Bitcoin. What's Riot Amerit doing right now? Riot slowly coming down. If below 18, does that mean they win? I mean, not in general. Let's see. You want Hillmon plays next week? What's that? You lost $1,200 today on AMC. Well, hopefully you had Oxy and something else that we've been talking about for weeks that you could have made it all back on. To work? You're excited to be up $400 and this guy's over here making 21K? Hey, you'll get there. It's only a matter of time. It's just the slow, steady gains. You'll get there. It went from 10 million shares to 20 million to short. Yeah. Max pain is max pain's 18. But the max pain, like the definition is the price where the most amount of calls and puts expire out of the money, which hurts retail most likely because they're the ones buying them. And benefits market makers and institutions. Remember, guys, they're going to start reporting their short positions. I know because Lou told you. Yeah. Lockheed crossed down on the 1 minute. Yeah. Apes together strong. Yep. That's what we're doing here. We're trying to give you guys a way to just like make it easier for you. Live, says William. What's up, William? How you doing, buddy? Johnny, hashtag AMC8. What's up, buddy? How you doing? All right. We're getting some news over here. What's going on? Biden says Ninisto is a good friend. Interesting. Finland president. Gotcha. WeWork sinks. Dude, WeWork. Do you guys know what like WeWork said over like the last couple of days? WeWork, kind of like not scam company. That one venture capital firm kind of pushed them too far, and their CEO's a nut. Their old CEO was a crazy person. WeWork literally said they're not closing down business in Russia because they do a lot of good business in Russia. And I was just like, WeWork. You're that desperate for revenue right now that you have to stay operating in Russia? Stop. You did the math from liters to gallon and converted from Canadian to USD. You're paying $5 a gallon. Jesus, bro. Riot's coming down now. Oxy, what's this doing? Oxy, a little bounce. Little bounce. The Strangle's still green. 1348 option trading is another way to make the market makers bleed. Yep. They have morals to abide by? Apparently not. 1348 is like NATO stepping into Ukraine as far as retail or Wall Street. Yeah, but like 1348 is not going to cause a world war. Like, come on. China attacks Taiwan. Do we pull everything affiliated with China? Baba puts. Okay. What's this? Hold on. What's Baba doing? Because Baba selling here. SPY coming down. Whoa, Rolando. Thank you so much for that big super, dude. I really appreciate that. Guys, you guys know you don't have to send supers in if you don't want to, but special shout out to those of you guys who do. I'm just really happy that you guys are making so much money. Let's see here. Hola, amigo. Am I still holding AMC? Yeah, of course I am. What other good news should we wait for it to go up? I'm kind of nervous now. So Adam Aaron did say that, I mean, Q1 2022 won't be like the best thing of all time. But he said, watch out for Q2, Q3, and Q4. So I've said this a lot. We're going to be at this for a while. This is not going to be this quick. I mean, we know it's not going to be quick now, but here's the thing. The short interest is still very, very high. We still have a lot of people very, very interested in what's going on here, that it's like, it eventually, in my mind, it will run. Then don't put super chats, you noodle. Well, no, it's just people don't have to get me to talk to them. But if they want to, then they can. I don't know what the argument is there. Batman. Batman. So the SPY should feel free to rip now. Yeah. Let's see. 1651 on Amy. Baba. Yeah, I don't know about this China-Taiwan thing. Maybe I'll do some research over this weekend. Where's Baba on the 4-hour? Ooh, this looks nasty to the downside. Pinduoduo, JD, Neo, all these stocks could really come down. I'm here till the end. STV, love me. All right. Lack of trading volume should be sure. Yeah, the OBV has kind of told us everything we need to know. Like, apes are not really selling in big way. And we kind of confirmed that with Adam Aaron in the call. Oxy. Oh, here comes Oxy again. Palou said, did you just get called a noodle? I think I did get called a noodle. Do I have to super chat to get you to say my name? No, Trace Kong Dong. You don't. You don't. 5574 on Oxy. Brent at 118. Oh boy, here it goes again. Here it goes. Did my Strangle just go red? No, the Strangle's still green. The puts are still in the green over here. Noodle boy. Put our call for next week on Oxy. I can't afford both. I would stay away from it then, or go with something else. I would go with like Exxon or something else like that. God, what? Thanks, bro. Anytime, buddy. Yeah, guys, you don't like the whole thing where it's like, I don't like, you guys can send them in if you want, but like, you don't have to. I'll talk to all of you guys regardless. I just want you guys to make money. What'd you comment, Trey's hoodie? What did you comment? Egg noodle or pasta? Honestly, man, I've been having pasta recently with these egg noodles, and it's literally the best thing of all time. It's like my favorite thing to eat. This week, Oxy, 7,000%. Jesus. There you go, man. Guys, also, if you don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream on your way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. That's really all I ask for. Just engage with the content. It helps out a whole lot. We're crushing it all across the board on all these plays, helping you guys kind of stay more comfortable with these AMC positions. Yeah. Let's see. All right. The Oxy Strangle is green. Where's TLT? How's the TLT call side only up 100%? That's crazy. U.S. military thinks Russia and China are collaborating. That would make a lot of sense. Yup. Oxy. Martin's an oil baron now? How about, I want to call you guys the oil barons, but like I also don't, right? You made $1,400 off Oxy in 25 minutes. Jesus. Amy with a boom boom candle. Yep. Amy trying to get a little 5-minute MACD crossover here and trying to come back to the upside. Spy trying to make a move. Occidental coming back to life. Here we go. Wow. The calls and puts on Oxy right now are green. Interesting. I almost want to get another one on the call side just for shits and giggles. Let's see. Luigi, dude, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Over here eating pie, making gains, and looking forward to Monday. Thanks, little brother. Go to class. Luigi, thanks, buddy. I really appreciate that super. Call me the Indian Oil King, Nepal. All right, you're going to have to change your name to Indian Oil King. Dude, what's up, Ron? How you doing, buddy? You got to put on Oxy at 55 for April. That's not bad. You sold at 18 for peanuts? Who did that? Oxy see a new day, highs and power hour? It might, man. That would be ridiculous. Ankle barons? Maybe. When's Ride going to squeeze? I don't know. Nobody can really predict a squeeze. People can try and force them, but like my IWM puts just swung 20% in 3 minutes. Dude, my Netflix puts today went from being up 100% to up 10% in 5 seconds. How many shares on loan for Amy that are not marked short? 126 million, I think it was. So shares on loan is 126 million, I think is what you're asking. Yeah, 126.23 million. I got to thank you for some of your plays and keep it going. Apes together strong. Anytime, man. Lou can predict. Let's see. I mean, he's not over here giving you Oxy. That's for sure. Or X. Or Tilray. Or, yeah, that's the only one. Or Snow. That's the other one. Oxy 65 end of the day. If Oxy hits 65 at the end of the day, I'll take the good faith violation. Amen. There we go. Patience pays. Yep. All right, folks. So Amy trying to get this little 5-minute MACD cross coming up above the 13 EMA over here. Spy's trying to make another move back to the upside. That would be dealing, lol. Yeah, we don't do that around here. We just trade options. Made $6,000. Wiggly Wiggles at a boy. Who called Clove? Right after it tanked. I mean, after. What about that other one? It began with an I. Didn't it begin with an I? There was something with an I that was running. And then it just like, right after, it just went, tank. What was that one? It wasn't I. Whoa, Brent is at 118.24, high of the day. Occidental Petroleum. All right. Okay, I'm leaving this here. I'll leave this right here. Exxon knew it wasn't CEI. I know. Indo. I think it was Indo. It was something like that. Yeah, it was Indo. What's the danger zone now for the shorts? I mean, I don't know, man. If there's a lot of them, there's a lot of little danger zones where they piled in. Seriously, man, 30 grand in 3 days with shot puts, 1,000 in 2 hours with Netflix, 5K in 2 hours with Oxy. It doesn't get better than this. We're printing this week. JT! Woo! At a boy. Oh, ISIG, ISPO. It was one of those. Yeah, it was one of those crazy ones. It was ISIG. Okay, it was that one. So you got something to say, Trey's BBC? All right, man. Run it. Let's see. Thoughts on crypto? I think crypto is going to have a place in the long term. I think a lot of them, I want to find out a way to short NFTs because anytime, here's the deal. Does anybody know a way to short NFTs? Because if you can, I really want any single time an influencer is like, I want to put out an NFT, I will literally wait until it mints and then give it a day and then just short it because it will literally most likely tank and they're going to rug pull people. Like there was the Lana Rhodes one that like just tanked. There was the Nelk one that tanked. There was the Ice Poseidon something that was just a blatant rug pull where they pulled the liquidity pool. Like any influencer, like that's why when people were talking about FaZe going public, I was like, no. Even though they could be good dudes, like I just don't. No, thank you. I will short anything that a lot of these influencers are touching. I just want to know. That was a little bit of a side rant about like shorting NFTs. I think NFTs are cool. You can get like some really good ones in like cryptos. Okay, we can stop now. Okay. While your own business partner is doing an NFT, man, that's different. That's very different because that one's real. Like I trust him. And he's giving away 10% of his revenue to the people that hold a certain amount of his NFTs. That's real. Like that is a real thing. Like TMI's NFTs are very real. Like you're going to get this amount of revenue share on what he does, and that's what the NFT gets you. That's the utility of it. All of these other NFTs that these influencers put out, there's always like exactly. That's different. They're always like have this big roadmap plan where they're gonna do stuff, but there's no like plan to actually get it done. You're just like, oh, we're gonna do this, and it's like, oh, cool, sounds good, and then nothing, and you're like, oh shoot. Top 4 TMI holder here, and the other ones are nice. And guys, we're not influencers. Like we just trade stocks in front of you guys on the internet. Coin puts printing up 120%. There you go. Thanks for everything. I'm up huge on Oxy. Going to see the Batman now. Mod couple. There you go, man. Lol, just checking. Dude, chill out. Don't try to catch me slipping there. Full said got a plan. Yeah, but didn't it get rugged? I'm pretty sure it got rugged. It's like a plan. Like that one could be good if you get access to like special events, but like I don't care. Like I don't have like the overwhelming urge to go like hang out with those dudes. You know what I'm saying? Like if you're a big fan of them and you want to get special access and like then you would do it, but I don't. Let's see here. Also, guys, if you don't mind, hit that like button on the way in. Oxy's coming up again. Let's see what the call side's at. Call side's up 10%. The puts are still greed on Oxy. That's hilarious. You're an ankle influencer? That's fine. I can do that. Yeah, Oxy moving. Printing! Here we go, everybody. Yeah, Oxy's running here. There it is. New highs on Oxy. 56.31. What did I just say? Bouncing off the 13? Yeah, the calls are printing. Sell your Oxy puts? I can't. I have a good faith violation. I'm strangling it for next week. My call side is up 20%. My put side's up 5%. Nepal, I got a call, I got a put. I can make the money both ways. Shout out to Josh. What's up with AMC? Utilization is useless. It's not. That's not it. Like, it's just not. You can't have 100% utilization and low cost to borrow like that. How do you sleep at night knowing that you have 1,000 people that subscribe to your channel? I mean, pretty. I don't know if that's how I would having people that follow me in fact impact my sleep. I mean, I would sleep pretty good knowing everybody's up thousands of percent on Oxy. Oil next week, 120 to 125 a barrel. Yeah, I think so. You got a good violation last year. Yeah. So let's see here. All right, people. Yeah, if you guys don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream on your way in helps out a whole lot getting this out to some more people so we can keep getting more people printing. Yeah, I sleep pretty good, man. Like, I don't know what you mean. Do you think they will have a share count for AMC? Not like an they need to do an audit. Yeah. Julie, thank you so much for the super. Let's see. Oxy has X dividend date on Tuesday. I think they'll pile in even more for that. Trust me, bro. Gas station business is my blood. Gas is going to go wild the next couple of months. All right, man. I'll keep doing it. I'll take financial advice from the ball. Let's do it here. 600% on Oxy for the day. Thank you, man. Grabbed a couple more for next week. There you go, dude. Why isn't the stream working? It should be working pretty well. Let's see. Do you still expect to bounce after it depends. It depends. We're kind of in the same situation that we were in last earnings with crazy global macroeconomic craziness going on. CEI will explode. Honestly, it could. You're going to do the CEI calls. Look at it. Dude, it's crazy. It is kind of wild. The comment is too long. Doesn't fit here. It's in the last video. 1 minute, 20 seconds. All right, I'll take a look at it. Is it funny? 17% on... Dude. The IV on Oxy is spiking. Hard. I think puts pay the dividend. No. That's not how it works. $9 a gallon for gas here in the UK. Julie, that's insane. Julie, also, thank you so much for that super. I appreciate that. CI is the worst wells in the US. Well, it's not great. Amy kind of rejecting around this 13 EMA over here. Market is in extreme fear mode. Yeah, down 1.24%. Jesus. What's oil at right now? WTI crude's at 115.27. Brent is at 118. This is wild, people. This is crazy. Oh, shorts. Yes, shorts pay the dividends. If you're short a stock and they announce the dividend, you have to pay out the dividend. You know why that is? Do you know why the shorts have to pay out a dividend? This is a really easy example of it, and it's kind of how shares, the ownership can get over 100%. Do you know why shorts have to pay a dividend? Think about this. The company knows let's just say there's 100 shares, but let's say there's 20% short interest. So technically, people own 120 shares. So now the company is saying, hey, we're going to pay out a dividend on the 100 shares that are out there. But if you're shorting it, you have to pay it on what's extra because there's loans and stuff out there. That's why, because the company is not going to pay extra for your shorting nonsense. They're like, screw you, you have to pay it. That's why the shorts have to pay the dividend if they are short. Because think about this. I own shares. Let's just say my broker loans shares out to a hedge fund. They sell it to one of you guys in the chat. Let's say it's 100 shares. So now I own 100 shares and another person owns 100 shares, but it's the same 100 shares. Now the company only needs to pay out a dividend on that one block of 100 shares, not 200 shares. Hopefully that makes sense to everybody. All right. So 56.10 on Oxy. I did it. I finally decided to join Premium 1348. I've Gabe's tutorial video permanently memorized. There you go, Keith. Welcome. Yeah, guys, you are going to get the free alerts on those 5 stocks for 2 weeks. So even if you're not looking to join Premium yet, that's the training wheel section for you. So make sure you guys go join. We'd love to have you in Premium. You get access to all the live streams. You get to hang out with us in the chats all the time, in the Discord. And that's how we're making a boatload of this money all the time, stealing from market makers. So, I mean, we'd love to have you in there, guys. Spy got you today? Yeah, T really got me today. Sounds accurate? Yeah, that's essentially how it works. Okay. Alrighty, folks. When do you think AMC will squeeze? I got no idea, man. Nobody has any idea. Nobody has any idea when it's going to go. All right. Let's see what we got. Wheat got you today? Yeah, you guys were calling out wheat a lot. And I was like, I'm not touching. And then it sold off a pretty decent amount. But I also got slapped in the face on X and sort of Netflix. Like, not really. I was still green on Netflix. It just got AMC March 3rd squeeze. Duh. Funny guy. X got me. My fault, though. Me too. It was my fault, too. It's not stealing if you know 1348. I mean, it's kind of is stealing with 1348. All right. Oxy's still looking good over here. These calls inputs still should be green. Dude, I am up more right now on the puts on Oxy than I am the calls. That's hilarious. My brother didn't follow the rules and didn't sell when he was up 200% last week, and Diamond handed his calls. He lost all of his money when the stock dropped 30%. Man, if you're up to 200% on something, you got to make it free at that point. That's how I view things. Like, if things go up 100%, I really start watching it. I'm like, do I want to make it free now? Let's see. Amy 1659, Oxy hanging right at 56. They must have dropped 10 million shares today. It's possible. I kept telling them. Yeah, I mean, you can only say so much, man. You can only say so much. Alrighty here, folks. Yeah, so again, if you guys don't mind hitting that like button on the way in, helps out a whole lot. That's all I ask for. I know you guys are printing. If you guys are really finding a lot of value in the streams, and making money with all of these plays and the kind of just all the way that we're seeing the money flow recently, make sure you guys help out and engage with the content. That's all I ask for. You guys don't really need to send in those supers if you don't want to. Just hit that like button on the stream. Help get this out to some more people. Thank you guys. I appreciate that. That should be a sign for next week. Oxy put, be careful. I have Oxy puts and calls. This isn't March 4th. It's March 3rd, number 2. True. You made all your losses the past 2 days. You made them back, Thomas. Over $3,000 on Micron puts. There you go. This is weird. I'm up on my Oxy puts and your calls. Yeah, the IV. I'm up more in terms of a percentage gain with this move in Oxy on my Oxy puts than I am on my calls. So people are flooding into Oxy puts right now. So when I buy a put, do I always buy a call too? Not always, just because I'm playing it on like a little mean reversion play. So I've got this little range. If Oxy continues to rip because oil is going to go up, which is likely, it's possible, then I'll make a bunch of money. But if it tanks and reverts back down, then I will also make a bunch of money. If it stays flat, I'm going to lose a lot of money. You killed it on X this morning. We made $100 plus on both IBM and BTU. There you go, man. Oh, got killed on X. Yeah. Apes not leaving. Apes doubling down. Yeah, apes are not going anywhere, man. Puts look expensive. On Oxy, they're cheap, man. They're cheap on Oxy. They're really expensive on the call side. Like, look, compare the puts and the calls on Oxy. Calls are expensive. I only purchase more AMC when it gets this low. I've lowered my average from 38 to 27. There you go, man. There you go. Oxy, son of a biscuit eater. Dude, Oxy was the play today, dude. I tweeted it out. I was just like, Oxy. Let's see here. Oxy trying to come up a little bit here. Brett, thank you so much for the super, buddy. Man, you guys are super generous today. I really appreciate that. You earned it, Holmes. Oxy will continue into next week. Man, guys, thank you so much, man. I really appreciate that. I want to see you guys making money. This is awesome. This is really cool that we have a group of people that's just absolutely crushing it. Brett, thank you so much for that, Superman. I really appreciate that. They want Oxy to go down. Yeah. Waiting for the Oxy as a distraction crowd. Yeah, that'll probably not come. It's oil. Don't tweet out Oxy. People might get the wrong idea. That's fine. The people that know. The people that don't know, though, there's a TikTok about that, isn't it? Practicing strangles on paper, learning is fun. Yeah, man. All right, let's see here. Spy trying to make a little bit of a move back up. Trying here. I mean, Amy's just like hanging around that 13 EMA. Oxy hanging around 56, just trying to hang around. Gonna need some Narcan for all you Oxy heads. Yeah, dude. Do you think the institutionals have as much AMC shares as they say they have? Yes. Let's see. Check natural gas. Nordic? It's coming up here a little bit. Where's UNG? Oh, bro. Damn, bro. I really wish I didn't sell those UNGs. I had the 1650s for this week. I had 10 of them. Oh my God. Dividend investor, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Shorts have to cover a dividend. What happens if a crypto or NFT dividend is issued, perhaps like what GME could do? Well, think about it. How are they going to pay it? It's not currency. It's not like you can just go out and there's no mechanism to do it. So that's why it kind of handcuffs the shorts if they do it through like an NFT or something. Let's see. We will have our day. We will. Never knew I would be addicted to Oxy so fast. Yeah. Vix, thanks for all you do and your hard work. Trace, I appreciate that, man. Coming down a little bit here. I mean, Oxy's still looking really spicy. Right around 56. GME selling off a little bit. Wow, that's a big drop on GME over this last time we've been streaming. So 111.33 on this thing. 100% on Walmart and Marathon Oil. Damn, son. Let's see. What's the ticker for Brent crude? I don't think there is a ticker for Brent crude. I'm just looking at it on investing.com. Oh my God, it's at 118.41. Crude is at 115.36. Impossible for the Toots to own 35% and the apes to own 90%. That's not necessarily true. Contrary to probably more than 100% of something cannot exist. Yes, it can, Jim. Going over what we just said, it 100% can. Let's say 20% short interest. Okay. So the numbers are still going to be screwed up, but you can own over 100% of what's out there in terms of total ownership because of shorting. So let's say 20% short interest. What is that? 516, I think they said. So there's really 619 million shares. That's really what it is. There's 619 million shares out there with 20% short interest. Then you add potential synthetics and everything like that. Oxy coming up here. Here it goes. Does QQQ trade 15 minutes after close? I don't think so. It might. I think it's just the SPY, though. Check out that site. Checks everything mostly for free expense. Yeah, I'm just using investing.com, buddy. I just like that. Wow. Hold on. Where's Oxy? Jesus, man. GME at 140%. No, GME at 140% short interest. All right, let's see. SPY's trying to move up a little bit here. Amy's getting a little bit of a candle. Let's see. You're changing your name to Oxy, Luigi. I'm loving that you guys are crushing it today on some of these. I don't know. Maybe these strangles will crush it next week. The calls are up 21%. The puts are up 8% on Oxy right now. So the strangle in general is up nicely. Portfolio up this week 149.3%. It's still a small account, but it still makes me smile. Thanks, SCV, RD, and TMI for 1348. There we go, guys. Make sure you guys join the Discord and get on that because, I mean, you guys hear me talk about it a lot, and that's not like, yeah, obviously I want you guys in there, but you're going to succeed. Like, everybody, like, you guys are killing it with it. Oxy up. Is max being 17 or 18? It's 18. Quick drop on Oxy? Yeah, a little bit. A little bit. I feel like it's just going to trade flat into the end of the day. Unless, like, I mean, we do have 34 minutes left, so we'll see. You changing your name to Crushing Oxy? There you go, Shannon. Exxon running? Yeah, I'll do a strangle next week on Exxon too. Tiny one. Really tiny one. If it's expensive, I'm not doing it. I'll go deep on it, actually. I'll go here. I know. All right. All right, I got an Exxon strangle too. So I'm strangling oil plays for next week just to see. If they die, they die. It's going to suck, but I don't know. I think they're going to be decent. Wow. 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 The Oxy Strangle's up big. I don't know how the hell that's at. WBA? Walgreens? What's up with Walgreens? Walgreens running up a little bit here. Whoa, there's 1348 concurrent viewers here right now. What's up, people? We got the 1348 gang in here. Let's see. Yeah, guys. Also, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot with getting more people in here. You guys see what we do on a day-to-day basis, so I want more people to be able to see this, man. What did I do to AMC? I didn't do anything. Just got a notice, no buying or selling Russian stocks on TD Ameritrade. Ooh, that's a little interesting. X is running. Oh, it's trying. It's trying. All right, the Exxon Strangle's green. The Oxy Strangle's green. Let's see what happens going into next week. 437 to max pain on the SPY. I mean, you have to run $7. SPY doesn't usually get pinned at max pain. That would just be too much work for them because there's 3 expiration dates a week. They just kind of let it go. Where's the signal in the Discord? Too much noise in the free. What do you mean the signal? So in the freeloader chat, if you're not a premium member, that's where you're going to get the free alerts. In order to get the actual alerts, like for all of the stocks, cryptos, different time frames, you'll see them once you get premium. Hit the like button, says short glitch. I appreciate that, man. Are you drunk because Oxy is trying new day highs? Is it? Is it now? No, not yet. Not yet. I didn't filter in. The door was wide open. Thank you, Michael. I appreciate that, bud. So tiresome seeing this price action as to 45. Well, that's what we're trying to do here. We're trying to get people learning 1348. So I mean, you can buy the dip or you can not feel as bad about your AMC position going down. 1348 my portfolio up 22% on the week. There you go, rubber ducky. I like that. I like that. All right. So Oxy coming down a little bit here. SPY's getting a candle. I wish I kept my 10 Oxy 47s from Tuesday. I was happy with my 25%. No regrets. Tomorrow we will try again. Well, let's see. Have you been listening to STV? Oxy is killing it. Yeah, it is. It is killing it. Yeah, Monday we'll get after it again. California gasoline prices over $5 a gallon. Highest price seen $7.69 at a Shell. Oh my God. Exxon printing up 80%. There you go. I mean, the Strangle next week. Let's see. Sold my X at a 95% loss. It'll run now. Don't worry. Yeah. Freeloader. Yeah. It's more of the training wheels chat. It's more of the training wheels chat. All right, folks. What do we got going on here? Bing bong. The price is wrong. All right, guys. But tomorrow is Saturday. Tomorrow is Saturday. So let's see what we're going to get over here, everybody. Oxy just kind of flickering around. Kyung Kim. Thank you so much for the Superman. I really, really appreciate that. Made $3,400 this week. Thanks for the focus and entertainment. Dude, anytime, man. Thanks for coming in. And honestly, thanks for learning the strategy and making sure that you're taking control of your like trading in your portfolio right now. That's the way to do things right now while we're waiting for AMC to go. Let's see. We've literally time traveled back to 1978. All we need is 20% interest rates. No, thank you. Let's see. GME coming up a little. SPY's trying to make a little bit of a move. Oxy coming down a little bit. It was 529 last week on oil. Jesus. Like gas prices. 10% on the, yeah, the Exxon Strangle's doing good. What would you have to start with to gain 43 or 3,400 in a week? I don't know. Probably 10 grand, maybe. It depends. It depends on how risky you're trying. It depends on how risky you're going to be. You bought 2 AMC $17.50 calls for next week for fun. That's risky. I don't personally buy AMC calls right now. But I've told you guys when I'm going to. It's going to be based off 1348 on the 4-hour and the daily chart. Thank you for reading the chat and not just super chats. Anytime, man. I mean, it's more fun to start with 5K. There you go, Kyung Kim. That's a way to do it. Yeah, I mean, I don't know how you can just read supers. Like, that's kind of crazy. Got to be risking or lucky. Yeah, or a bunch of money to play with. But, I mean, Kyung, that's a really solid gain, man. You got your $16 AME calls. I mean, in the money calls, at the money calls do have their place. You could see a little bit of hedging, but unless we're going to see that movement to the upside, they're not really going to help. You learned your lesson on AMC calls this week? Yeah, I was telling you guys at the beginning of the week, I was like, I'm not touching it on either side. Like, because here's the thing. Here's the deal. If I was playing the Strangle on AMC, I would have had AMC puts and just held them. But I would have never, I don't want to do that on this earning. So like, I was like, yeah, I don't want to play it. Would it have worked? Yeah, it would have. But that's not what I'm trying to do here. Let's see. Oh, the OREV. What's up, man? How you doing? All right, Oxy flicker in here. I would have started with $5,000 and ended up with 3,400. No. You're up $3,400 on KLXE today. There you go, Derek. On the premium, do you guys play week plays or also day trading only? Okay, so Alex, it's not like this is why I never had a Discord before. I don't want anybody just being like, oh, following me. I don't like that. I think that's a silly way to do things. Nobody actually learns anything. But what we do is we teach you the strategy with all of the videos, and then we give you an alert system for when those crosses happen. But then you have to go in and figure out, okay, this is what we're looking at here. This is what the chart is looking like. Do I want to take this or do I not want to take this? So it gives you the power. You learn. You become an awesome trader. Do you usually use a 20% stop? Yes. Today didn't really go well. Kevin says if we get to 1,000 likes, he'll buy 100 more Amy shares. I don't know, man. Trey's mustache. Everyone made so much money today. How about becoming a member for? Oh, Trey's mustache. You guys don't have to do that. Let's see. 3 green, 30% days. First 3 days of 1348. Thanks, STV. Noah. There you go. There you go, people. All right. So Amy over here, right around the 13 EMA. Spy flickering around. Jimmy trying to make his way back up here. Oxy just kind of bouncing off this 13 EMA over here. A gallon of gas costs $8.90 where you're from. Jesus. Bro, Josh turned 1,200 into 13K on one of the wheat plays he got last week. Should have listened, dude. I mean, I don't have time to listen to him anymore, but he's always got some tricks up his sleeve. He's always got some tricks. I mean, we had the Oxy this week. That was absolutely dirty. We had Lockheed last Friday, which was nasty. Today we had Lockheed. We had Micron. We've had a lot of good plays. Yeah, Drew, today in the morning was weird. Trey's mustache is down way over 300K in AMC. If he can hold, you guys can hold. That's true, man. That's true. Yeah, this morning I got slapped in the face by X and some other stuff. Netflix really played with me. That was annoying. I had a nice gain on Lockheed and some other stuff, but we'll see. You're in Central Cali, got gas for $4.98. That's crazy. Can you pick what time frame you get alerts on in the Discord? Yeah. You just have to turn off the notifications for the other ones. But the favorite play is X by far. Screw X. X is the new UNG. If it wasn't for Robinhood, my $300 would have been $220K. You could probably sue them for that. You could probably sue them for that. Did y'all hear Melinda Gates is looking to date again? I say go for it, guys. Hey, man. I'm down. Just kidding. I'm not. Not even a little bit. Let's see here. CEI Spellman. STV. What's up, Jay? How you doing? Oh, J Dub. What's going on, man? Still got eyes on wheat. Because we was talking about this nuclear plant the Russians took over. If anything happens to it, then it could affect wheat for a while. That's true. You called out Oxy this morning. I should have listened to you. I've been calling out Oxy like every day for like the last 3 weeks. I just haven't been able to like nut up and like buy like and hold it overnight, but I've traded the shit out of it. Exxon running? How's that Strangle doing that I have? Let's see here. The call side on the Strangle's up 15%. The put side on Oxy's up 23%. The call side's up 1%. Let's see. Do I see 126 million shares short? No. Not on GME, no. 126 million shares on loan for AMC. That's what it is right now. So let's see what we got over here, people. AMC crossing down on the 4 hour. Yeah, it needs to break above that 200 EMA. Margarita time. There you go. I thought you guys do more like unusual whales and look for the most profitable trades for the date. No, 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 no. We don't. No, no, no. We give you guys the alert system and then you guys crank with it. Like, go and look in the gains tab. I bet the gains tab today is fire. Yeah. So the link to the Discord's up in the top. You do get alerts on 5 stocks free for 2 weeks, and then that is going to end up being like the training wheel section. Let's see. You should have held longer on XOM, but when you're up, you're up. Yeah, exactly. There was news about China. Which one? I mean, I've Strangle, so I'm fine either way if there's going to be a big move in either direction. Let's see here. What's Amy's Ortex now? Oh, I haven't really eaten anything today either because I had this test. I'm hungry. I need to go to the gym. Woo! All right, 20.91% estimated short interest over here. 2 million shares borrowed, net borrow of 440,000 shares. 1.34% average cost to borrow. I'm gonna have a drink for you tonight, vodka, of course, but not Russian. Cheers to you, my friend. Trey's mustache. There we go, buddy. We're gonna get you back to even. It's gonna be hard, but I feel like I think you're just testing it out right now with the amount that you're trading with. So it's gonna be hard, but over time, we're gonna get there. Let's see. Eat some wings, then go burn it off. No, I might get like these Chipotle chicken sandwiches, like grilled chicken, avocado, onions, lettuce. They're pretty good, man. How did the test go? It was pretty easy. You get the 2 from the 3 you studied. Yeah, the one that I really wanted was on there, so I was good to go for it. Let's see here. Yeah, guys, also, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream, too. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. DOJ is closing in. I mean, they're getting there. They're getting there. Get me back even, down 7,000 last year, but traded 62 grand, $55,000 profit. So you should be even. I'm confused on that one. But you're up for the week, Chase Mustache. That's all that matters right now, buddy. Anyone seen Subi today? I don't. Maybe this morning he popped in. I think he popped in a little bit this morning. I think he did pop in. Is Micron at 80 a good buy? I mean, I'll buy Micron for the long term. At some point, I will buy it. Wow. Can't believe this thing right here. This is nasty. Look at this. We played this move here for like over 100%. We played it here for 300%, didn't we? And then we played it down here for like, I mean, we killed it on Micron this week. Let's see. It's not avocado. It's avocado. It's not avocado toast. It's a wrap, bro. It's still a sandwich. Like, it's a wrap, though. Little Fairy told me you have steel nerves. Not when I'm trading X. I mean, this sucks. Like, X is terrible. I'm just buying, man. Doesn't get easier, any easier with the lower price. Manipulate or not, I still make money when it hits the lows and then runs. Exactly. House second March 3rd. Doing good, not a hedge fund. Yeah, Indo's up 140% today. It's called a chicken burrito. Michael, that's not what it's called, my man. Sorry. It's just not. I think Monday will be another March 3rd. There you go. X and Oxy. STV knows how to party. I mean, I know how to give you guys nasty commodity plays. That's about it. You bought X like 4 days ago? Oh, you're still fine. Is this March 3rd? It's still sort of March 3rd, right? 1650 calls just put out of the money. I'm confused. Hold on. Oh, yeah. SV's not a millennial. He doesn't do avocado toast. What's up, Squirrel? How you doing, buddy? All right, let's see what we got. I have a great idea. Let's all get excited about a day when nothing is expected, so we can all be sad when nothing happens. Yeah, exactly. I didn't really care. Like, no, it's not from Chipotle. I was like, oh, that's silly. SUV does avocado toast. Red day. SUV squirrel. That's fine. That's fine, man. Let's see. You got to get Sun off the Taekwondo. There you go. Throwing them wheel kicks around. Whatcha? All right. Let's see. The car in his house is wild. Whose car? Whose car? Your Lou's biggest hater, bro? No, I just make jokes about nonsense. Like, he's cool. Like, that's the thing. He says a lot of stuff. The thing is that people like to take the stuff as face value. The problem is that, one, I said this yesterday. If you're getting inside information from Wall Street, one, most of those people have no idea what's going on, and they're not all that smart. This is the thing that people don't really understand. The people who work on Wall Street and stuff, they work in their little area, and they just become an expert in that thing. So you'd have to find somebody that, one, is willing to talk to you, which they would never do, and is an expert in this naked shorting synthetic nonsense, which honestly, if you're an investment banker or you're running money for a fund, you don't have any idea about. So if you're getting inside information from somebody, at least sometimes it's got to be right. Like, that's the thing. It's like, at least sometimes it's got to be right. Sometimes it is. Most of the time, though, when this March 3rd stuff comes, or like they'll get it to 21, or like the something about like and like dates and stuff, or like it's over. It's like, I just don't. I think that's hurting our community, and it's messing with our money in people's heads. That's just what I think. Does it have a place in the community? Yeah, the motivation and the storytelling is really good. I think it keeps a lot of people interested. You just got to know what it is and what it isn't. It's not information, it's entertainment. Let's see. Oh, Subi's car? There you go. Why is UVXY going down when the SPY's going down? SPY's trying to make a move up here. It's probably just a candle, like a matching candle. Oil will rip. I'm thinking, man. Let's see. Russia's has reportedly said that China will enact revenge on the West for Russia. Oh, God, that's not good. Let's see. First week with 1348, 5-day P&L, 83.5%. That's real. That's some real gains over there. Attaboy, Luigi. I love to see that. Yuko made solid moves today? Yeah. Just realized I was 6 minutes behind on the stream, wondering what the hell he was talking about. What's up, Rans? How you doing, buddy? Why is everybody talking about sub 10? Like, why? The market's selling off again. We're at 430. What are we at right now? 1647? Relax. See, this is the problem. This is the problem. Everybody's going to be like, oh no, now March 3rd didn't come. We had earnings. We didn't rip on it. It's like, does it change the short interest in it? Does it change the amount of people that hold it? Does it change the amount of apes that want to buy it? No, it doesn't. So, I mean, I'm not going anywhere. You guys can do what you want. If you want to get out, you want to get out. That's fine. But that's not what I'm looking at here. STV sliced nub. Oh my God, that's a funny one. You're 47 years old. Jennifer, there you go. Can I make a video on how I draw the box? It'd be really, really quick. It would be like, look on the 4-hour, zoom out. When does it do a V? And then you draw it there, essentially. So like this one, it comes down into here, but look where the price action was. Oh, shoot. Look where the price action was before. Way back here. This is a level from way the hell back here when it's doing these Vs at 402. So you can see them all over the place. You just look for these chops and then down, chops, down. Let's see. I'm still buying, just constantly readjusting my options to avoid P&L losses. There you go, Mitch. There you go. Cost per bar changed at all? No. It actually went down. It actually went down, which is insane. Let's see. 1647 on AMC over here. Dark pool volume was up 64.95% on AMC on 3/1/22. Yeah, I mean, it's been that high. It's been in the 60s for a while, I believe. Can't run without regulation forcing the short stick over. Okay. No, I disagree. 100%. Do we have regulation in January? No. Do we have regulation in June? No. So It's the big situation would be disclosure of ownership. And the SEC is never going to come out with a thing that says you can't short, you have to cover your shorts. It's not going to happen. That's a pipe dream. They're never going to do that. They have to disincentivize these types of behaviors. How are they going to do it? One, significant fines or jail time. The key ingredient is crime. Yeah. Nothing will force them to cover now. Why not? Why not? What changed? What changed between 3 days ago and today? Nothing. 0. Let's see. Amy 1645. I feel like everybody gets this way. Like when we go to 14 or 13, everybody's like, it's going under 10. In my mind, it's like it's probably bouncing here. Let's see. Then I buy my Ferrari. Then World War III hits. Russian soldier takes my Ferrari away and wrecks into my tank I bought. Trey's mustache. What kind of Ferrari you getting? You want to be 488 Pista buddies? I'm down to do that when I have money. Need to hold my Verizon calls over the weekend? Yeah, maybe. JG Wentworth, 877 cash now. There you go. Disincentives would be via regulation. Right, but the regulation would be to not do it anymore. Not close it. Oh, Brent's at 118.60. Nepal, that's pretty big. Is Al from Boston in this community? I don't think so. Oh, a LaFerrari. Those are sweet. You had a 360 F1 Spider, but it was just too small. Was it? Oh, it was F1? Dude, the gated 360s? Oh, those are sweet. The 6-speed gateds, those are nice. You must be... Dude, how big are you? Because I know some big people that have fit in 360s. Brent, 118.75. Oil's ripping right here. All right, hold on. Yeah, Brent's coming up. Crude, WTI crude and Brent are up about the same percentage right here. Let's see. Oil to 200 barrel if we cut rush off. I don't think 200 a barrel. I think that's crazy. Ferrari oil change cost $2K. Yeah. 1625 is SSR. We didn't reach it yet. Yep. Well, like it's kind of useless anyway. Can you pull up Brent so I don't got to go back and forth? I can just click on it right here. It's at 118.73. That's what I have in investing.com. You want a Challenger Scat Pack? There you go. Well, I was bodybuilding at the time. You spent 500 natural. Jesus, bro. That's ridiculous. Were you using the, hold on. Were you using like the slingshot though? And the straps? Or were you just like throwing it around? Just sit. That's big, bro. That's a big boy bench. Let's see. Ferrari oil change, 1348. There you go. Dude, the most I've ever benched was like 285. Natural. Wow, bro. That is crazy. How much did you weigh at the time? What were you like? You had to have been pushing 3 something. 28. You had to have been like at least 270 when you did that. My account is up 30% this week. 1348 rules. There you go. Yeah, keeping it below max pain entices more shorting. So that's why they do it on max pain. But institutional order of GME was 90 million shares. As the total shares 70 million. You didn't know this is quite scary. Ownership of GME wasn't at 90 million as the total shares are at 70 million. Yeah, it's very possible to do. $305, my Mormon was $225. Jesus Christ. So you were wait, you weighed 225 when you did that? There's no way. That's insane. All right, Amy trying to pop back up a little bit here. Let's see. You would, bro. You benched 500 pounds at 225. That's ridiculous. Thanks for helping everyone make money. Anytime, Henry. Didn't follow the rules and blew 25% of my account today. Never again. Next week begins. Slow grind back. Yep, dude, that's insane. I think when I was like 215 is when I benched 285. No, I'm like 180 probably. You're only 5'10" though? That's not that short, man. All right. 1647 on AMC. Oxy right around 56. Spy's trying to get a little candle here. Ortex? Yeah, I got you. 20.91% estimated short interest. Really 126 million shares on loan, 107 million estimated short. Let's see. It's 62 degrees here, and I'm getting on the mountain bike. Everybody have a great weekend. Luigi, thanks for coming in this week, man. I think you were a new member this week too, so I'm really happy that you were printing this week, man. Good for you. Go have fun. Go have fun. All right, AMC 1647 over here. What's the most ever shares on loan? I think it's 128 million. Let me look. I think it's 128 million. Bing, 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 bing. On loan. Oh, just kidding. 154 million. Free float on loan. Is this percentages? So, yeah, percentages over here. So it's really big over here. 154 million on loan in April. I think that looks like what the number is. How tall am I? I'm 6'2". SCV is the comment reading GOAT. I try, man. Thanks for answering my question so quickly. Love watching you every day. Stay home dad here from Ottawa. There you go, Joe. You're up 20% on your Strangle so far? Hold on. What am I up? Is IV running up on it? Oh, shit. I'm up a little bit on my dude, my puts are up 20%. My calls are up 13%. I'm up on my Exxon. I mean, I'm up a McChicken on my Exxon, but like, that's fine. I went small. Printed today on 1348. And the play you were calling out, sir. Thank you. See you Monday. Junior. There you go, buddy. Rough day. It was a rough day for me, too. I mean, I got slapped on X. Like, slapped. Hard, but bad. I tried to make it back. I probably should have made it. I would have been able to. Brent at 1818. Jesus. I would have been able to make it back on the Lockheed if I held it, but I had to go take that test. So I made some of it back. Let's see here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Spider Claw. Thank you so much for that giant super, dude. Finance some advice. Don't listen to Lou while driving. Funny as hell. It might cause accident. You'd be cracking up. He got some inside info though. Also, thanks so much for your news 2 weeks ago at CFVI or something with the Rogan news. Oh yeah, that was a good play. That news flip on CFVI. Yeah, Spider Claw. Glad you hit that, man. Dude, thank you so much for that big super, man. You didn't have to do that. Thank you. Hugh, thank you so much for the super, buddy. Thanks for a great week, buddy. Oxy play was money. Dude, Oxy was dirty. Guys, thank you so much for those generous supers. I really, really appreciate that. Slapped on X, dude. Really slapped. Spy boom boom. Oh, Spy's coming up here a little bit. There you go. Spy finally started to wake up. Made 700% on Micron puts. About to be a clause on the way up. Crossing on the 1 minute. I mean, if you got time left, you might do it. There we go. Spy. Amy, time to go, pal. All right, is Oxy going to come up? Nah, Oxy's going to chill. Let's see what happens with the oil plays going into next week. Matthew, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. All right, let's see. Still struggling with 1348, but I'll get there. Have a great weekend. 8. There we go, buddy. That's what we want to see. Just everybody just willing to learn. Let's see. Mr. Finance, you too, buddy. Let's see. Get something nice at the dollar store. Matthew, I appreciate that, my man. Spy. I mean, it's trying to get above this. This is literally getting like a little 1348 cross of trying to get above this 200 EMA in like the last 4 minutes. I'm here to be entertained. I try, family. I try. Let's see. Just looked at Bitcoin. Good or bad? It's probably bad. Let's see. All right. Yeah. Also, guys, if you don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream on your way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Thanks for all you do. Heading out. Have a good weekend. Randy. Guys, let's have a good week next week too, huh? We got like 4 minutes left. I'll have some videos out for you guys this weekend as well. Make sure you guys join the Discord too. Not, you don't have, I mean, we would love to have you in premium, but we are doing that little bit of a free option. going into the next 2 weeks. So if you guys do want to try out the alerts, you can. And then that's going to be the training wheel section going forward. So after those 2 weeks are up, we cut it. So did Walmart save the day? Walmart helped. Lockheed would have saved the day a little bit more. But, you know, I just had to go take the test. Short-term AMC prediction? Nobody really has an idea. Yo, what time you going to Chipotle? I'll meet you there. What's today? Friday? I don't think I'm going to Chipotle today. I wish I was going to Chipotle. 1348 crushed the micron for me. Can't thank you enough. Val, thank you, buddy, for coming in and learning from us and like giving us a chance. Was there a free video explaining 1348? Yeah, it's for free. So you can go on Gabe's channel and find them, but if you join the free, just join the Discord, you don't have to pay just to get in there right now. They're literally just listed out for you. So you can just like click, watch, click, watch, click, watch. But then eventually when you want to join the big leagues, then that's when you're allowed to get into premium. You made 39 grand this week, JT? Jesus Christ. Oh my God. You're down 80 grand on AMC, but you're halfway back up. JT, attaboy, man. Attaboy. Premium is A+, and learn more from this Discord than listening to someone call out plays if anyone was wondering about getting in. There you go, Junior. Bro, the Discord alerts always be popping like crazy at closing. Yeah, it goes crazy. Oxy going to run into close? Is it? It's trying here. Doing its thing over here. All right, flatten the Exxon Strangle, or a little bit green on the Exxon Strangle. Up pretty decently on the Oxy Strangle. Wait, Chipotle has new... Okay, XYZ. You got to be faking over there. I think you're a big faker on that one. There's no way that Chipotle has spaghetti, bro. No, it's not just Gabe's Discord. It's me, TMI, and Gabe's Discord. It's just his name's on it because he made it. 2,800 first week of the 1348. Cha-ching. There you go, Christopher. Oxy trying to come up here a little bit in the close. Let's see if Spy's going to break above this 200 EMA. It is. Amy, come on now. 1656. It's trying to make a little run. We got less than a minute to go. 1348 might be able to afford a single Chipotle share. There you go. Let's see. Bitcoin looks awful for me. Head and shoulders on the 2 hour. Probably go to 37K, then 40K again, then sharp down to the low 30. Oh, God. Oh, God. You're calling for a drop there, buddy. Lou is starting to push the 1348. I don't know about that. I don't know about that. Let's see. Let's see. Still learning? Christopher, we'd love to have you in there when you're ready. Whenever you're ready. Let's see here. No, bro. Chipotle spaghetti. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. You big faker. You big faker over there. You're lying. You're a liar. All right. Oh, ding, ding, ding. The market is closed. All righty, people. Damn. What a week. What a week, man. What a freaking week. So we had the Oxy. We had the Lockheed. We had the Micron. We had the Neo. We had the Spy. Like, we had so many good plays this week. Hopefully, we're going to see all you guys back. How was lunch? I didn't have lunch. I had like a protein bar. I'm going to get another one. Then I'm going to go work out. And then I'm going to eat lunch or dinner when I come back. It's Miller time. Discord only live stream this weekend? Yeah, on Sunday. Oh, shoot. I can't do it on Sunday. So I won't be there, but they might be able to. So I won't be able to go on Sunday. But yeah. Let's see. Maybe we'll do it earlier. I hate UX. I hate X too. Let's hear it. Guys, if you don't mind hitting that like button on the way out. That was an absolutely awesome week. So even though AMC didn't really do what we wanted it to do, it was a pretty exciting week. We had earnings. We had all these crazy plays going off. Thank you to everybody that's being positive, everybody that's given 1348 a try, especially the ones that are absolutely printing with it. We love to see it. So guys, you have all weekend to learn about it. Make sure you guys learn this strategy. Join up in the Discord over here. It's linked into the top of the live chat. There's only so many times that I can kind of prove to you that it's working pretty good. So again, guys, thank you so much to the new members, all the mods, and everybody that's just being positive. If you guys don't mind hitting that like button on the way out. Other than that, everybody, have a great weekend. I'll see you guys bright and early on Monday. I'll have some videos out for you guys this weekend, and Peace.